Hello friends, for years the impact of political choices on financial markets has been a source of much analysis. Government pronouncements on trade and tariffs generate considerable market volatility, thus providing profitable openings for those with foresight or strategic positioning. There have been speculations in some quarters that Trump's tariffs created volatility in the markets to benefit a certain set of persons. Let us analyze the theoretical possibility of tariff driven market manipulation and evaluate its feasibility. We shall also look at the existing protections and broader economic and political consequences. Although there is no proof of intentional manipulation behind recent tariff changes, the high stakes necessitate a thorough investigation. Tariffs, which are taxes on imported goods, can significantly alter trade patterns. They have the power to safeguard domestic industries, reshape global supply chains, and impact consumer prices. Financial markets dislike the uncertainty often created by their announcements and implementations. Since the United States is the world's largest economy, global markets remain sensitive to its trade policy signals. When the Trump administration of 2017-2021, that is the first term of Donald Trump, trade policies involved tariffs on steel, aluminium, and Chinese goods. A precedent was set. We could measure how the market reacted to those measures. Imagine a hypothetical 2025 tariff policy, a 10% tariff on all imports with higher rates for countries like China. This could disrupt markets. Higher costs would immediately impact industries like technology, automotive, and retail that rely on global supply chains. Stock prices for firms such as Apple, Nike, and General Motors, reliant on international components and markets, may plummet 10 to 20% in a few days. Investor anxieties about inflation, falling corporate earnings, and the risk of trade conflicts could cause the Dow Jones and Nasdaq, among other broad market indices, to lose thousands of points. Alternatively, a policy U-turn like a 90-day tariff suspension might trigger a rapid market recovery, boosting indices by 5 to 10% as confidence improves. Price swings in this volatile market creates many opportunities for effective financial strategies. Standard tactics in these situations include short selling, buying undervalued assets when prices fall, or trading options. However, this raises the question, could those with prior knowledge of tariff changes profit excessively from market fluctuations, and if so, by what methods? Privileged information and the ability to act secretively are vital components for manipulating markets under tariff policies. The dominant strategies that could work are listed here. Now, first is short selling. Investors might borrow shares from companies that tariffs are likely to hurt, like tech or manufacturing companies, and sell them at current market prices. Their plan is to repurchase those shares at a lower price if the tariff announcement creates a market sell-off, thus profiting from the price drop. For example, a hedge fund with a $100 million short position could profit millions from a 20% drop in the S&P 500. The profitability of these bets is supported by historical data such as the significant returns from short selling Chinese tech stocks like Alibaba during the 2018 trade war. Number 2. Buying the dip. Investors might wait for a tariff crash to buy low. For instance, if Tesla stock dropped 30% due to supply chain concerns, buying at the low and selling after a policy reversal could generate substantial profits. This strategy requires precise timing as premature or delayed purchases could erode gains. Number 3 is options trading. Options offer high leverage for betting on price movements. Put or call options boost returns exponentially. $100,000 invested in tech ETF puts might yield $1 million if the market drops. Speculative trading increased during the 2018-2019 trade war, reflected in higher options volume and VIX. And what is this VIX? VIX is also known as Volatility Index or Fear Index. It measures short-term market volatility using options prices. High VIX means volatile markets. Low VIX means stable markets. The VIX helps traders assess market sentiment, risk and option trading. Rising VIX suggests investors expect market turbulence. The success of these strategies depends on non-public information about the timing and scope of tariff policies. Leaking pre-announcement details is insider trading, and insider trading is illegal in the United States. The Martha Stewart 2004 and SSE Capital 2013 cases exemplify insider trading's prevalence and regulatory response. Tariff-tied market manipulation is theoretically possible. Information leaks are facilitated by the US political system. Trump's trade policy was shaped by hawkish advisors like Navarro and Lighthizer. Policy shifts could be informally leaked to connected business leaders. Hypothetically speaking, a hedge fund manager with ties to a trade official learns of upcoming tariff news. In early April, the manager shorted vulnerable stocks before buying call options. The fund profits billions when the policy works. Fund managers, corporate executives, and foreign investors could work together using offshore accounts or shell companies to hide their activities. However, several factors complicate this scenario. Tariff policies are seldom unexpected. Since 2016, markets account for Trump's trade threats. Investors hedged against trade issues after a Trump re-election, according to a January 2025 Goldman Sachs report. Unpredictable politics make insider information unreliable. Geopolitical risks may delay or cancel promised tariff cuts, exposing speculators to losses. US markets have strong anti-manipulation tools. The Securities and Exchange Commission or SEC and the Commodity Futures Trading Commission CFTC monitor trading activity for suspicious patterns, particularly around major policy events. Unusual trades are flagged by algorithms. The 2021 GameStop surge prompted investigations into potential market manipulation. High-profile tariffs will attract close examination. The SEC's capacity for complex cases is evident in recent actions like a $10 million inside trading fine in 2023. Circumventing safeguards such as through layered transactions or offshore entities is needed to exploit tariff policy. Even then, the risk of detection remains high, or as whistleblowers, rival firms, or investigative journalists could expose the scheme. Economic, political, and regulatory risks accompany market manipulation. Tariffs may cause job losses, higher prices, and voter backlash. The Tax Foundation estimated 2018 steel and aluminum tariffs cost US consumers $7 billion yearly, sparking trade policy criticism. Such a scheme would be politically reckless. Tariff volatility has wider implications than just manipulation. Tariffs redistribute economic gains and losses. In 2018, United States steelmakers like Nucor saw stock gains of 15 to 20% after tariff announcements, while companies like Walmart faced margin pressures. Investors who expect these shifts through legal means such as sector analysis can profit without resorting to illicit tactics. Tariffs are politically problematic. Protecting domestic constituencies may alienate trading partners. At present, China, Canada, or European Union tariffs may prolong market uncertainty, mirroring the year 2019. Tariffs seen as manipulated could cause investigations and diplomatic issues. No evidence supports tariff market manipulation claims. No whistleblowers or suspicious activity have been linked to recent tariff policies. Early 2025 market volatility followed historical patterns, not a conspiracy. For example, the S&P 500's 4% drop in March 2025, followed by a partial recovery, mirrors reactions to trade news in prior years. To prove manipulation, investigators require documented links between trades and policy insiders. Lack of evidence suggests economic forces, not schemes, drive markets. To conclude, political and economic factors raise concerns about tariff manipulation. Information leakage is possible given existing trading practices and the political climate. These schemes are hard to execute because of detection, market complexity, and policy. Regulations, though imperfect, hinder manipulation. No 2025 evidence exists. Politics and markets will always face scrutiny. Tariff policies create profit and loss opportunities exploited by those with foresight. Rather than chasing unproven conspiracies, stakeholders should focus on transparency, robust oversight, and policies that minimize economic disruption. As markets navigate the uncertainties of 2025, vigilance and evidence-based inquiry remain essential to ensuring fairness and stability. In case you have liked my video, please do like, subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.